In this video, I'll show you how to repost on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, at first, you need to be logged into your Facebook account, right? This is a Facebook account, and I'm going to show you how you can repost here on Facebook. Now, if it's on TikTok, it's called the retweeting, right? So here on Facebook, you can actually reshare, but you can call it repost as well. So if you want to repost a post here on Facebook, maybe a post of your friend or someone that is following you, right? Your follower or anything. What you need to do, you need to move to the person's post, right? So this is Anita Sharma, one of my friends here on Facebook. So this is Emmanuel Jack, my account here on Facebook. So what I need to do now, you need to scroll down. Once I've scrolled down, you'll see this share option. Right click on this share. Once you share it, you would come on here. Like you want to share it to your profile, right? So that's basically how you can repost on Facebook. So let's say once I click on this share button right here, I can come on here and say congrats friend, right? Congrats friend, congrats friend. So I want to repost this her post right here on Facebook. So once I'm done, I'll click on this share now. So you can see this posting, it's posting right here. So I'll give it a few seconds. I'll exactly share to your profile. So I'll click on this view post. So you can see I just reposted this post here on my Facebook profile. So it's pretty easy to repost here on Facebook. You can call it repost or reshare, right? If it's on Twitter, you can call it retweet. So this is basically how you can repost here on Facebook. If you find this really helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.